If you've ever streamed, recorded video, or just wanted smoother performance with OBS Studio on your Windows 11 machine, you might have heard about process priority. But what does that actually mean and how do you control it? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to adjust OBS Studio's process priority so you can get better stability and responsiveness for your streams or recordings. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 easy ways to make sure OBS gets the attention it needs from your system. Let's get started right inside OBS Studio itself, since that's usually the best place to set things up for the long haul. First, open up OBS Studio and look over to the bottom right corner of the window. You'll see a section labeled Controls. Click on Settings. This is where all the magic happens for customizing how OBS runs. Now, in the Settings window, look at the tabs on the left-hand side and click on the one labeled Advanced. Don't worry, nothing here is too tricky, but this is where OBS tucks away some powerful options. Scroll down just a little bit until you reach the General section. Here's where you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Process Priority. By default, this is set to Normal, which means Windows treats OBS like any other app. But if you ever find that your stream is lagging or your video recording isn't as smooth as you'd like, especially when running games or resource-intensive software, it can help to nudge OBS up the priority list. Click the drop-down, and you'll see options like Above Normal or High. For most people, Above Normal is a safe step up and gives OBS a bit more say over your system's CPU without risking issues. If you're really pushing things, you can try High, but keep in mind, if you set it too high, it could interfere with other critical processes, so only go this far if you're confident in what your PC can handle. Once you've picked your desired priority, click Apply. Then OK. Just like that, you've made a lasting change. OBS will always start at that priority, giving your streams or recordings a better shot at running smoothly, even if you're multitasking. But what if you only want to temporarily give OBS a boost, maybe for a quick test, or if you're not ready to make that permanent adjustment? There's an easy way to do this using Windows Task Manager. Start by launching both OBS Studio and whatever game or application you plan to use. Then bring up Task Manager. Super quick. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus ES key together, or you can right-click your taskbar and select Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, head to the Details tab. If you're not seeing it, you might be on the Processes tab. No problem. Just find OBS in the list, right-click it, and hit Go to Details. From there, look for the process called OBS 64XE. Right-click on it, hover your mouse over Set Priority, and then select your desired level. Again, High is usually the max you'd want to try. Keep in mind, this change is only temporary. The next time you close and reopen OBS, the priority will reset to its default unless you set it permanently through OBS settings. So, Task Manager is perfect for quick fixes or experimentation, but for a long-term solution, stick with the in-app method. And that's all there is to it. Controlling OBS Studio's process priority is a fantastic way to boost your performance, especially on busy systems or when every frame counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this so you can get the most out of your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.